In this video, I show you how to solve gallery video not playing problem on Android phone. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for gallery, tap on gallery, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open gallery. I try to play this video. If this method not working for you, go to Play Store, search for VLC player or MX player, install it. Now open VLC player. Next, allow, next. I try to play this video on VLC player. Now I hope that this method fix gallery video not playing problem.